Done.
नमस्कार, वेलकम टू कॉमन इंडियन वॉइस। कल बहुत ही सीरियस मैटर पे हमने डिस्कस किया था और आज हम लोग उसको कैरी फॉरवर्ड कर रहे हैं एंड सिर्फ डॉक्टर भारद्वाज के साथ कर रहे हैं। डॉक्टर भारद्वाज, जैसे कल हमने आपको इंट्रोड्यूस किया था, शी इज अ साइकोलॉजिस्ट, शी इज अ साइकियाट्रिक डॉक्टर, शी इज ऑल्सो वर्किंग विद द यूएन एंड अगर आप उनको पहले भी देख चुके हैं ना, तो आई थिंक शी इज द परफेक्ट वुमन whom we can turn to for advice on how to rehabilitate such hapless women, hapless children, hapless girls. A positive character, matlab, she makes me feel positive and I am sure कि viewers also love her. Last time also when she came, आप लोगों ने बहुत अच्छा response दिया था. Welcome, Dr. Bhardwaj.
Thank you once again for having me here.
Dr. Bhardwaj, on a serious note, like yesterday we discussed the hapless condition, what is happening in society.
Yeah.
Today I want to take it forward one step, and I just want to ask you that how can the person who has gone through such horror, how can we bring that person back into the mainstream? क्या करना चाहिए लोगों को कि उसको ना अपना सारा कुछ भूल के, बिकॉज जिंदगी खत्म नहीं होता है, उसको हम स्ट्रेंथ देना पड़ेगा आगे बढ़ने के लिए. क्या क्या कर सकते हैं?
Right. That's number one is ये लोगों को कुछ नहीं है. It's only the close people who are with the victim. उनका role major है इसमें to bring the child or any victim, any age doesn't matter, to bring them back to normal. Normal तो to be very frank होते नहीं है. That stays back. वो हमेशा रहता है. But we can make them live, forgetting that they have been abused, they have been used, and they went through such a traumatic condition. उसमें से हम उनको बाहर ले आके नॉर्मल सी जिंदगी, भूलेंगे तो नहीं. It's not such a thing to forget. So ये हम जरूर कर सकते हैं, and that's only with the close groups, not with everybody. It's not possible because number one, the victim will never open up with everybody. Number two, the victim should get confidence or gain confidence only from the close groups. They should make her understand that whatever happened, जो भी उनके साथ हुआ था, वो सही नहीं था, and she was not responsible for that. She should be made understand that. Normally क्या होता है कि we see लड़कियों के कपड़ा थोड़ा इधर उधर है तो बहुत लोग बोलते हैं कि उसके वजह से हमको ये यहाँ तक पहुंच गया है. There are so many people who say लड़के के कपड़े छोटे होते जाएगी तो रेप तो बढ़ती जाएगी. It's not लड़के के कपड़े छोटे होना, तुम्हारा दिमाग छोटा हो गया है. That is the main thing. So you have to make the child understand or the victim understand that no, she is in no way responsible because it was a rape. It was a rape. She was against it. She tried her lot. उसको वो समझना जरूरी है, समझाना जरूरी है कि तूने कोशिश किया है और तुमसे नहीं हो पाया, and we understand. ये देता है confidence. And don't keep on repeating the same thing every day, every hour, every moment. It's like taunting somebody. तेरे साथ ये हुआ, तेरे साथ वो हुआ, अक्ल नहीं था क्या? कम से कम सोचना चाहिए. Of course, there are, जब बुजुर्ग होते हैं तो हम थोड़ा सा समझ कर रहना चाहिए था. अगर समझ कर रही होती तो ये नहीं होता, नहीं हो पाई इसीलिए ये हुआ है. So don't taunt the child. Don't repeat it again and again. Never do that. That's why people don't come out in media, because they repeat it again and again. She was raped once, but in half an hour she will be raped n number of times, which is not right. Yes, you talk with her, you counsel her. Counseling बहुत जरूरी है. You bring her to us, The victims can come and meet us. We talk to them, and regression program hota hai. We give regression. Many people don't know exactly what is regression. जो blockages होता है हमारे दिमाग में, जो blockages होता है, we remove it. So that is our job. We can bring the trauma. She will be out of trauma more than 90%. वो हम कर सकते हैं. Then बाकी 10% तो आप लोग कर ही सकते हो घर पे.
दूसरा सवाल जो मैं पूछती हूँ, जैसे हमने मुंबई वाला केस देखा कि मतलब 9 months का पीरियड था, इट वाज अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम.
Yeah.
माँ को नहीं समझ में आया. देखिए, मैं पूरा दोष माँ को भी नहीं देख सकती हूँ. जैसे कल आपने बोला था गुस्सा मत करिए. माँ वर्किंग हो सकती है, माँ टायर्ड हो सकती है, माँ ने मिस आउट कर दिया. तो मैं आपको पूछना चाहती हूँ, जैसे वर्किंग लेडीज रहते हैं ना, मैं भी वर्किंग लेडीज थी, तो मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम रशिंग अबाउट, मंकी बैलेंसिंग, घर का भी करना है एंड इसका भी करना है. मंकी बैलेंसिंग कर करके हम लोग कभी कभी वी आर टू टायर्ड. तो कौन सा वो साइंस है कि भाई हमारा बच्चा डिस्टर्ब्ड है, हमारे बच्चे के साथ कुछ हुआ है, हमारा बच्चा वो एक डर के है एंड हमारा बच्चा हमसे शेयर नहीं कर रहा. वो साइंस कैसे, वो क्या देखना है? माता पिता के लिए आप क्या बोलेंगे, स्पेशली माँ के लिए आप क्या बोलेंगे कि हाउ टू ऑब्जर्व?
Yeah. Number one, बच्चे will not, the particular child will not come when everyone is there. पूरी family जब होगी ना, वो बच्चे नहीं आएगी. She'll try to keep herself aloof. So that's symptom number one. अगर वो ऐसा है, तो there is something wrong with the child. Something is wrong, gone wrong with the child. जरूरी नहीं सिर्फ ये हो, मगर कुछ भी हो सकता है. She will not come in the crowd. घर के crowd में भी नहीं आएगी. Number two, उसका खाना. She will not be good in eating. She can't. Number three, solace. Solace, you tell her something, she will be in her own world. कुछ भी आप बोलेंगे उसको सुनाई नहीं देता है. Seriously, I'm saying, हमारे सामने ही होगी बच्ची, हम बोलेंगे कुछ, मगर उसको सुनाई नहीं देता है. There is a screen in between. That's a screen which actually happened with the child. That is a symptom. If your child is going to behave like this, just please take time, sit with the child, ask क्या हुआ, कुछ problem है, school में कुछ हुआ, friends के साथ कुछ हुआ, पूछना. They need it.
Absolutely. इसी के साथ एक रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन पूछ रही हूँ. जैसे आजकल टाइम्स बहुत चेंज हो गया है एंड बच्चे, जैसे कल आपने बोला था, प्रिवेसी 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 बहुत करते हैं. तो उनका प्रिवेसी रिस्पेक्ट करके भी उनके तरफ ध्यान रखना, इज इट वेरी डिफिकल्ट? मतलब बच्चे क्या रिवोल्ट ज्यादा कर जाते हैं? कैसे हैंडल करना है इसे? बिकॉज देखिए, पूछना तो पड़ता ही है ना बच्चों को. इतना लिबर्टी नहीं दे सकते.
नो, एक्चुअली क्या है ना, लिबर्टी का मतलब गलत समझने लगे. There lies the problem. They don't know what actual freedom is. Or you don't give freedom or the liberty which is going to be a loss for a child. Kabhi mat dena. They should know where their limit ends. Always. I think last time हमने जब किया था, तभी भी मैंने कहा कि parents should know that yes, I give you all the freedom, but I know where to stop you. मुझे पूरा हक है तुझे रोकने की, और जब मुझे लगता है कि तुम गलत रास्ते पे जा, I will stop you. We don't do that. And normally ये कब आता है ना, in the last stage आता है. तो मुझे privacy क्यों होता है? Why do a child gets too much private?
Something is wrong.
Yeah, something is wrong. Something emotionally wrong.
Yeah.
They want to try something new. It may be anything. It may be falling in love. It may be seeing something else which is not to be seen at certain age. कुछ तो है. They are becoming inquisitive about something which has to do with their emotional, which affects their body. The right time is to make them understand that yes, girl, everything is yours, but you are mine. You are mine. So we have all the rights to stop you when you go wrong. थोड़ा सिवियरिटी ले आना गलत बात नहीं है.
आजकल मैं देखती हूँ मैं बहुत सारे जैसा इंटरेक्शन होता है, तो कभी कभी ना कुछ कुछ पेरेंट्स ऐसे बोलते हैं कि डर लगता है बच्चे को ज्यादा कुछ बोलने के लिए, बट वो कैसे ओवरकम करे पेरेंट्स? मेनी ऑफ द पेरेंट्स आर, कुछ पेरेंट्स रहते हैं जो आते हैं बोलते हैं कि भाई बच्चा मेरा प्राइवेट हो गया है, बच्चा मेरे से बात नहीं करता है, अगर मैं जाती हूँ. इट इज नॉट ओनली फॉर गर्ल्स, बॉयज का भी होता है, इट्स फॉर बॉयज ऑल्सो. एंड दे गेट एग्रेसिव हो जाते हैं, चीजें छुपाते हैं.
they get aggressive when they are stopped.
Yeah,
they get
exactly.
aggressive only when they are not let to do what they really want to do. It means that they are in the verge of addiction.
Okay,
याद रख लेना. Whenever your child is going to become aggressive, they are in a verge of addiction to something. ये याद रख. When they are in regression, yes, something wrong has been happened with them. These two are very important. Even in the schools, of course, yes, there is we have a law that every school should have a counselor. I don't know कितने school में counselors है या नहीं है, मुझे मालूम नहीं है, but I go as a visiting counselor to many schools. There is a day or two I go there and I make sure that I meet the kids which the teachers tell me, they give me the list. ये सब बच्चे हैं कि इनके मार्क्स में हमारी बहुत सारे चेंजेस है और उनके बिहेवियर में चेंजेस लग रहा है, तो then I bring the child, I talk to the child, then we do accordingly whether to bring the parents and talk with them to give the counseling to the parents or to teach pedagogy to the teachers to how to handle a child. वो भी हम करते हैं.
I'll tell you one incident. There was one school I was working in, so they would get counselors, career counselors, once a year for the higher standards, and they would give them lots of forms and lots of exercises, tests, and all that. The children would do that, and then one-on-one counseling would take place. And I have seen children actually fib. They would come back to the class and they would be laughing amongst themselves. And suppose I went and asked her, "Kya hai bhai? Why are you laughing?" He said, "Ma'am, they asked this much. We said this." I said, "So?" He said, "Ma'am, I told a lie." How do counselors catch on?
Yeah, of course. बिल्कुल. Actually, जब भी आप लिखित में लेते हो, there are very intelligent students who can very well, make fool of us. देख के हमको लगेगा कि wow, this child is fantastic, but when you talk, normally it takes 5 minutes for me to analyze a person. So when you talk with a person, you may lie. Your body language, your eyes, your face, your frown, your movements, they don't lie. So we come to know whether you lie or you say the truth. But that happens only when we do the direct counseling. It is never possible with the feedback or all the questionnaires and all. Questionnaires and all, it is just to analyze. That is all. And आजकल बच्चे इतने दिमागदार हो गए हैं कि they know what to write. हम खुद बोलेंगे बड़े होकर तुम डॉक्टर बनोगे.
Actually, that happened so many times. The children would be laughing away. He said, "Ma'am, they said I'm going to be an engineer, but they don't know I hardly pass in maths." But मतलब answers ऐसे smartly लिखते हैं. Last thing, जैसे मुझे लगता है ना कि देखो crime तो बहुत हो रहा है and it's on the rise. एंड ब्लेम गेम भी बहुत ज्यादा होता है. मुझे जो लगता है ना, बेसिकली मुझे लगता है कि ब्लेम गेम बहुत ज्यादा होता है, शेमिंग बहुत ज्यादा होता है. जैसे आपने भी बोला, बाकी लोगों ने भी, हम लोगों को पता है कि शेमिंग बहुत ज्यादा होता है. एक कंड्यूसिव एटमॉस्फेयर, जैसे आपने बोला कि काउंसलिंग वगैरह, बट एक घर में भी जैसे कंड्यूसिव एटमॉस्फेयर वो बच्चे के लिए will it be helpful if the child is relocated or anything, और कि वहीं पे उसको सिखाए कि you become strong? What do we do?
It depends upon the elders of the family. Because relocate करेंगे तो फिर it's a stress for the whole family. That's number one. And number two, बच्चों का actually ज्यादा डर लगता है. This is a known angel and that's an unknown fairy. It's a known devil and that's an unknown fairy. So मुझे कुछ भी मालूम नहीं है मैं नए जगह पर किसको ट्रस्ट करूं या किसको नहीं ट्रस्ट करूं. एटलीस्ट मेरे पुरानी जगह पर आई नो अभी इन लोगों को ट्रस्ट नहीं करूं. They always have that thought. So what I personally would say is stay there, make a child strong. It's not impossible. Make the child strong, and that's how we overcome. You just don't keep running away every time. It is not possible.
Yeah.
How many times you'll run away? From how many people you'll run away?
ट्रू, एब्सोल्युटली. लास्ट क्वेश्चन मैं बोल रही हूँ, जैसे घरों में भी आप गुड टच बैड टच के बारे में भी हमने पहले भी बात किया था, तो घरों में भी बहुत कुछ हो जाता है, बहुत कुछ हो जाता है. तो मतलब वो जैसे आई टेल द स्टूडेंट्स, व्हेन माय स्टूडेंट्स दे मूव आउट, आई जस्ट टेल देम बी अवेयर व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन अराउंड यू. पूरा स्विच ऑफ मत करो, बिकॉज मैंने देखा है बच्चों को, दे आर इन देयर ओन वर्ल्ड. लोगों का परसेप्शन गलत हो जाता है उनके बारे में, बच्चे को पता ही नहीं रहता कि भाई किसने क्या परसेप्शन ले लिया. एंड एक तो उनको बी अवेयर बोलती हूँ, एंड दूसरा चीज मैं ऑलवेज बोलती हूँ ना कि एनीवन स्ट्रेंज एक्टिंग फनी एंड यू नोटिस इट, स्क्रीम. मैं वही बोलती हूँ, स्क्रीम. तो लोग भाग के आएंगे तुम्हारे पास.
राइट. या
So I just want to ask you, how else do I counsel them? What do I tell them to become strong? Because they have to come. They come alone. They come from very far off also sometimes, and it's not only to my place. They have to go leave home, go to the colleges and all. They come across people. मतलब colleges में भी ऐसा होता है ना कि peer pressure.
Right.
You don't know who's good and who's bad.
Yeah. Okay, you can just tell them one thing. This I say to everybody, and it's my personal line. You are my friend. We are very close, but up to here. When you touch it, it's me. You don't have the rights. ये हर बच्चे को समझना जरूरी है. Because the good things and the bad things happen out of friendship too. Not always aggressive, right? It's out of friendship too these things happen. So always make them understand you are unique, you are different, you have to be this, you have to be strong. Yes, we have friends, they are close to us, but their limit is only up to here. If they touch my nose, it is me. They don't have the rights. Whoever it may be. Except your mother and father. And even mother and father, I will not say everybody, but I can say at least 70% of the population trust कर सकते हैं कि mother and father प्यार से रहेंगे.
So what would be your last lines? What do you actually want to tell the people? Because world is not as good as it seems.
World was never good. It was happening before. And it is happening now. It will be happening in the future. यहाँ पर लोग इसीलिए इतना कर रहे हैं ताकि उनके पास बैकअप है. बस मैं तो इतना चाहूंगी, it's a personal plea to the government that please bring a law, make it non-bailable. There is nothing called juvenile, क्योंकि जो लड़का जिसको आप जुनेल बोलते हो और वो रेप कर सकता है, how the hell he can be a juvenile? How can he be small? When you have the thought, when you can rape a person bodily you're ready, then just the age doesn't count. So he should not be considered a juvenile. That's number one. It should be non-bailable, and please don't make them wait for long after you know the case. This is the worst thing happening as far as we are seeing. It takes years and years to give one verdict. ये लोग तो आराम से जी रहे हैं, जो लोग गलत किए और जिसके साथ गलती हुआ है, all these years in pressure, not just the trauma but also this. Verdict कुछ भी हो सकता है. And by day, you know, the pressure naturally ढीला हो जाता है. Whatever comes, okay, fine. ऐसे हो जाता है. कितने लोग लास्ट तक लड़ते हैं या लड़ पा रहे हैं. So we should not take so much time. The punishment should be severe, very severe. Sometimes I literally wish that हमारा भी कोई ऐसे कानून हो, किसी countries में है, क्योंकि उस country में you don't have this, because they know what happens if you rape a person. They know what happens if you steal something. But हमारे यहाँ तो ऐसे कुछ नहीं है. And the next is, if anybody is going to do this crime and any high profile person is going to back up, first of all, high profile person का करो, बाद में इन लोगों के पास. One time if the government is going to do like this, I'm sure next time से इसका level भी कम हो जाएगा और दूसरी बार कोई high profile वाले बंदे, they will never have the himmat to come and back up the guys who did wrong.
Absolutely, I agree. ये juvenile का जो ये है ना, even I get very pissed off with this. What nonsense? What kind of juvenile?
Yeah.
मतलब what
when
kind
he
of
can rape?
Yeah,
then he's no more a juvenile.
He's not. And एक related one question. Don't you think there should be a special cell among the police to handle such cases? They are also very bad. They are not very sensitive, are they?
I'll tell you, department should not be sensitive or emotional. If you're sensitive and emotional, then you can be a relative. You should not be in a department.
No, but their behavior towards the victim, I'm talking about that. Towards the victim.
Okay.
Sometimes, you know, we do listen hear about cases where the victim was questioned in a way that the victim actually did not want to take the case forward. That also has happened. They're not very gentle with them. The victim is already going through a lot of trauma.
Yeah.
So specialized police रहना चाहिए ना.
See, I'll tell you, if I'm a lawyer and I am going to take a case of a culprit, I'll see to it that my client, I do everything for that. True? That's what they are doing. That's why I said we need the close group to give the child or the victim more strength. कल को अगर कोई भी सवाल ऐसे आए तो भी मुंह तोड़ जवाब एक बार दे दिया ना, I think that would stop. Maximum क्या बोलेंगे? जो लड़की सबके सामने खुले आम इस तरह बात करती है तो वो कैसे हो सकती है? This would be the next statement from those people. But we all know the rape happened and the accused is over there. इसीलिए उसमें कोई ज्यादा फर्क नहीं रहेगा. We have to make them understand. We have to. This should be overcome. Special cell, I will not. Please don't go for a special cell.
Okay.
That is at least till the corruption is solved. Everything is corrupted. That's the main problem we are having. Everything is corrupted. Not everyone is good. You can't trust anybody.
Yeah, that is true. Absolutely. You know, it was wonderful, and I think मुझे लगता है कि the parents, the students, whoever watch you, I'm going to see to it that this is circulated maximum, because आप जैसे लोग जो है ना बहुत helpful है और आप जैसे लोग हिम्मत भी देते हैं. You are actually the need of the hour, because you know we teach, we counsel, but then somewhere along the line, the way you people can do it, we cannot do it. We are not qualified in that way. Now, we may be sensitive, we may be able to handle students, but some issues are there where everyone, even I think the parents fail over there. And that's where you people come in. My point to society and to the government, even I agree with what Jenny has said, sorry, Dr. Bhardwaj has said, and that is that, please do not dilly-dally with the cases. Severe punishment instantly. And that attitude of, aapko pata hai main kaun hu, that should be done away with. We have had enough of this, elite class bullying. We are not interested anymore. As a common citizen, whether it's me, whether it is Dr. Bhardwaj, we will all want that these things should not happen again and again. And the more the culprit is able to walk away, the more emboldened the others will become. They will think that they can get away with murder, and it's happening. And I think it's time. I will at least appeal to all the firebrand lady leaders that just don't let it be lip service. It should not be lip service, or it should not be a photo op like the Bollywood placard gang and all those things. Do it because people are suffering. People are really suffering. And it's
Right.
time to heal. It's time to heal. And it's time to see that the society heals. The rot should fade away. The rot should go. Thank you very much. Dr. Bhardwaj, we will again come back to you with another problem. And I asked my students a lot of questions. But, as you said, maybe somewhere I am not able to break that barrier. They do keep quiet. They don't share. It's okay. It's a part of growing up. But it is always a pleasure to talk to you. Thank you.
Oh, my pleasure. Thank you so much. Namaste.